Tasty egg pasta recipe. This recipe has Indian style spices which makes you really tempting. We need only 20 minutes for the preparation. Let's move to the video. First we need to cook the pasta. For that, in a pan or container, take some water enough to boil the pasta. Add 1 teaspoon oil to it. Add 2 cups of pasta to it. Also add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, switch off the flame. Drain the water and keep aside for later use. Next, we can prepare the masalas. For that, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon cumin seeds. After a few seconds, add 1 chopped onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Serve it on medium flame for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 1 chopped tomato. Mix it well. Serve it for 2 minutes on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now we can add the masalas. Add 3/4 teaspoon chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. After adding water, switch to medium flame. When the water starts boiling, add 3 grated boiled eggs. Mix it well. Now add previously cooked pasta to it. We can add some coriander leaves. Coriander leaves are optional. If you don't like the taste of it, you can avoid it. Also add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce and half teaspoon pepper powder for a better taste. Mix it well. Switch off the flame. Our tasty egg pasta recipe is ready. We need only 20 minutes for the preparation.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.